I will show you in this video a very simple home remedy to whiten your teeth. So all what we need as ingredients is coconut oil. We take about a tablespoon of virgin coconut oil. This should be available at your local store. So we take about again about 1 tablespoon. Then we place it into a bowl. Also we need cocoa powder, just any cocoa powder. We take about 1/4 teaspoon of cocoa powder, not too much, just a little bit. Then we mix together. So we mix the cocoa powder with coconut oil for about few seconds. Once you have that mixture ready, then you just bring your toothbrush and you use it the same way you use your daily toothpaste. Then we brush all our teeth for about 2 minutes. It needs just like the exact time you need to brush using your toothpaste. This is a very safe, natural toothpaste, no chemicals, and we use only healthy, safe ingredients. Then we try to preserve the remaining mixture in the fridge for about, I would say, 48 hours. So you might use it for another 3 times. You will notice the result from the first use. Enjoy and see you next time with another video.